So, welcome back. We are at Haraldsen. We're going to the hut to grill some and fish a little bit. I forgot the worms, so I just have my fly rod with me. So I have to try with that. And it is a sunny, beautiful autumn's day. And it seems like it's southwestern wind, kind of a lot of wind. I wasn't expecting that, but that's how it is. We were originally going to paint, but yeah, doesn't seem we are going to do that. So maybe we are going up to the water up here before the end of September. So September is a nice month. So I'm filming with my ordinary camcorder today. I didn't want to use the GoPro or my phone. At least. So oh my god, it's just beautiful today, you know, look, there's a lot of wind. Oh my god. I don't think I can fish with my fly rod today. I want to have a fucking good problem. Let's eat some and just relax. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa!
Wonderful wind blowing here.
So I got the fire going, just use a little bit of fuel. The firewood is kind of nice. So I have to drain the boat. It was full of water. So you can see it from here. So the fire went out, but I got some very dry lyng. Got it going again. Got some naver. And we're back in business. Yes. Yeah, I found some more lyng. Dry lyng. Most of it is dead, so it's extremely dry. Very good to get the fire going. I got some green with me too, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, some of the wood is very wet. It's been raining for 14 days, you know, so kind of problem with getting the wood going. Here the flame is going for wood. There it is. So there's some people on the huts up in the Haraldsen too. Some cars here. So people are using the nice weather to get out. That's nice. Maybe they're picking mushrooms or berries. Yeah. So up here there is Øvre Haraldsen, and there's also trout of water up in the mountain. So it's kind of 1, 2, 3, 4 waters connected in a stream. So my father to them is more on it's an island. It's about 3-4 miles, 40 kilometers from here, and it's more southeastern wind. Here it's more southwest. Yeah, it's more southwest western wind. So just going to get the wood more burned down. I'm going to make some food, and since the wind is coming against me and I forgot the worms, there will be no fishing today. So just have to enjoy the weather and the nature. So I don't think there have been people there for over a month, so we have a little bit of water problem here. So let's see if I can step on here, go over, yes, go over here, start to just get the water out. Yes. Yeah, I got out some of the water, but still more left. I will just try to tip it over to get out some of it. Here we go again. To be happy with some sausages and to empty the boat. Yeah, but the weather is just amazing. So I can't do much with the brain when it doesn't remember or function as it should. Yes, we have eaten some food and just relaxing here in the nice weather. My brother is eating a little bit. He bought some food sauce and some soda and chocolate. Yeah. So it's very nice. So we haven't really gotten to do what we were supposed to do today, but we'll take it. We are going to make it up another day. The sun is going down the mountain. It's getting colder. So the day is shifting towards darker days. So this up here north. So my brother is trying to empty the boat. Yes, they're doing a tremendous good job. So, man, must have been rained a lot. They completely filled up the boat with the water.
It has raining a lot.
Yeah, it rained a lot. Yeah, so we have just maybe 5 liters left. So it was completely full. So well, the water has raised 10 or 15 centimeters from last time it was here. Yes, we are going home. We have locked the shed and yeah, had a nice trip. Goodbye. Got the fire going and I got the fish. Okay. We are at the hut and I got a fish, a trout. It got a little bit entangled into the rods, into this one too. So, but all in order now. It's very nice weather today. Not like yesterday, it was gale. So maybe it's going to start to rain. Yes, and we are painting a little bit, and everybody's happy. Christian's having a good time. It sounds.
Love to be in the movie.
Yes, there's Christian, and my I don't know what it's called in English. Uncle child.
It's called a niece. Niece or niece.
Niece.
Uncle child.
Thor Heyerdahl. Here's my fish. Very nice fish. The biggest I got here this year. So it's very nice in the marsh. So maybe we are going up there tomorrow. Up in the mountain. Very nice water. Okay, yes. Okay, so we are making food here. Hamburgers and cotelettes. Pork chops.
Yeah, very good food, yeah.
Christian has become Russian.
Russian at Texas. Yes.
She's eating potato chips. It's very nice weather. Can't complain. Okay, so we are eating some burgers, and I ate one, and Christian ate one half. We have
It was a very good burger.
pork chops,
No.
and
Look.
they are maybe going to eat some pork chop. Potato chips. I got one fish, and it started to rain. Yes, my father is painting on the other side.
Yeah.
We can watch. Hello. Yeah. Skal du male den ene siden også?
Den er malet.
Ok. Det er burger, halv burger til deg.
Ikke bare til bolle.
So my cousin is having a feast. Very nice pork chop, grilled by me. Yes.
Har vi papir?
Var ikke det 4 kortis?
I got another fish. Bait. I tried to open up my other fish, but it was raw and it's full of. You see, it's full of macks or worms. You see it, kind of elastic in the fish. I think we're going to take this one. See, it's full of. Just let it lay there. So, well, drinking some coffee and eating biscuits. Well, it's raining outside. We played some cards. I've gotten 2 fishes. This one looks okay. I'm going to rinse it. So it's kind of very bad weather now. Okay, we are leaving and we had a good time, and everybody is very met, very filled up. Yes.
Got a bottle of Paris Breezer.
And
Very good Norwegian water, sparkling water.